Hi, let me teach you how to use WhatsApp on two phones with the same number without using WhatsApp web. So the idea of this one is we're just gonna log in our WhatsApp account to a different phone. So to do that, please make sure that the phone we're trying to log into doesn't have a SIM card. Now let's get into it. I'm gonna open WhatsApp here on my original phone, and I'm gonna click on this QR code over here and click scan. Now, since I have this already set, I'm gonna go into my new phone. I'm gonna open WhatsApp, agree and continue. And as you can see, there is a three dots on the upper right. I wanna click on that one. Click on link device, and it's gonna generate a QR code that I need to scan. Since I have my original phone ready to be scanned, I'm gonna get the other phone, and I'm just gonna take it and scan this one. Now since it's scanning, I'm gonna click link and device. Just gonna do my fingerprint over here. Oh, it's not working. Just let me use the code. Now since it's okay now, I'm gonna click OK and scan the code again. It should log in on the other phone. Just give you a second. Now as you can see here, the chats are being loaded up, and with this one, it's already logged in. And that's how you use your WhatsApp on your two phones without using the WhatsApp web. Please hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you.